Picture it. June 23rd, 2019. Cecil County Dragway. Run what you brought. .54497. That was my very first drag race ever. My reaction time was a .768. 60 foot 2.375. 8th mile 9.492 at 77. Not bad. That was my very first drag race ever. Sweet. .423, 97.74 mile an hour. .554 reaction time, 2.274 60 foot. I think I need to try a four-wheel drive launch and see what happens. So I'm definitely consistent 14.5, 14.4s at 97 mile an hour. So, you know, I don't necessarily know if it's good or bad. Naturally aspirated 5.0 liter truck weighs, oh my god, what's it weigh? 5,100 pounds or something like that. Somewhere around there. I mean, all things considered, I guess that's not too bad. So that's 4 runs, all put me in the 14.4s. I think I had a 14.3. I don't remember off the top of my head. I think I'm going to go around and do another one. I'd like to get 2 more runs in, and then let it sit for a while, and then we'll head home. There we go. Woof. Well, guys, we're leaving Cecil County Dragway. Made 6 runs and had a blast. It was a great time. I got to meet Joe from Truck Guy Joe. All the other ones were there, like Dirty Max Jack and Nick and CSP, RPM. Those guys were there. There were a couple other YouTubers there that I wasn't very familiar with, but still, for such short notice, it was a really good turnout. And I had a blast. I really enjoyed running the truck. Like I was talking with Joe, right when I was leaving, he said it was consistent, and looking at my time slips, very consistent in the 14.4s, 14.5s. So if I was to ever do bracket racing, you know, I could dial in my ET and possibly win. But out of all the races, you know, for me it was just an experience. It was my first time. Did I care if I got beat? No, because there were some fast cars and fast trucks there too. And the only race that I technically won, if you want to say that, was a Silverado, and it was my 6th race. It was the very last race of the day. I think my camera died right at the end of it because I heard it beep. So hopefully I got some of that footage. I brought extra batteries, but I didn't think about changing it, and you know, so here I am with a new battery and might have missed some of the race. But regardless, I had a great time, and I look forward to doing that again. I really do. I talked with Steve Fast from Hammer Down Motorsports very briefly, but we got to talk, and you know, I really wanted to bring the Jeep, and you know, like Steve was saying, easier just to get a trailer. And you know, it certainly would be easier to get a trailer, that way I can haul it wherever I want. It is what it is. Chip because she is sick and could not make it. And when I say sick, she's pretty sick. So sorry you didn't make it. And yeah, so we're gonna drive home now. I don't know what way it's gonna take me. It was about 2 hours and 48 minutes to get there. With traffic, I'm guessing it's gonna be over 3 hours to get home. So anyway, if anything exciting happens, I'll get back on. Otherwise, this will be the end of today's video. Take care, guys, and